Hello students, now moving to next exercise, exercise 8.2 of factorization. Here we have to use in this exercise a square plus b square formula or a square minus b square formula. First one is very easy, class 6, not 6, class 8, students of class 8 also can do this now. Now see what to do. It is a square minus b square form. So here x square by 4 whole square minus y square by 9 whole square. A square minus b square, you know, a plus b into a minus b. Then a plus b into a minus b. Again next, that means second expression, again it will fit in that formula, a square minus b square. So it is x square by 4 plus y square by 9. Again this is in this form, x by 2 whole square minus y by 3 whole square. So it is coming x square by 4 plus y square by 9 into x by 2 plus y by 3 into x by 2 minus y by 3. These are the factors. Clear? Then next type, if the sum is this type. Second one, you see, if the sum is m square plus, okay. Number 2, m square plus 1 by m square plus 2 minus 2m minus 2 by m. The sum is this. There is 2. What I am writing, see, m square. In place of 2, I am writing in this way. This and this will be cancelled out, we will get 2 only. And this one, 1 by m whole square. From these 2, I am taking minus 2 common. It is becoming m plus 1 by m. Now it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square. Now m plus 1 by m taken common. So m plus 1 by m minus 2. These are two factors. Clear? In this way you will do. Now next one. If the sum is this type, number 8, 3a into 3a plus 2c minus 6 minus 4b into b plus c. So first just open the bracket by multiplication. 9a square plus 6ac minus 4b square minus 4bc. Clear? Just open the bracket by multiplication. Now next step, you see, from here we will get a square minus b square. So this 3a whole square minus 2b whole square. And from these two, how much is common? 2c common. So from here we are getting 3a and from here minus 2b. It is a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b. And here 2c last. Then see, this term is common. So three a minus 2b common. These are my factors. Okay, in this way we will do. Now if the sum is this type, x square number 14, it may come in exam, minus 2x, sorry, and then minus 22499, minus 22499. So we have to find out the factors of this, so that we will get 2. Clear? Factors of this, you will keep it in mind that wait, and I can think this in this way. If plus 1 will add plus 1 x square minus 2. Let's see, it is plus 1, then it is coming minus 22500. If whole square is possible, no? 22500. 225 means 15. 15 is 225. Yes, 15. So 150. Yes. So if up to this, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, means a minus b whole square, and this is 150 whole square. Now it is a square minus b square form, x minus, sorry, this plus b into a minus b. So my answer is x plus 149 and x minus 151. This I have done in this way. If you want, you can find out the factors of this. You will see 149 and 151 will come. Then by using this, you can do middle term also. Clear? Middle term factor also you can do. Now next one, next type. If the sum is this type, x square minus y square into a square minus b square plus 4abxy. Here also open the bracket by multiplication, just simple multiplication. A square x square minus a squared y square minus b square x square plus b square y square plus 4abxy. Now see, there is 4abxy. So 2abxy I will take with 2 terms and another 2abxy with next 2 terms. Now see, there is abxy, here ax. Clear? Now see, first I am writing. So what is needed to make it a plus b whole square formula? Ax is there, by. So from here you take b square y square with this. Clear? Then there is minus. So minus you take common. Then it is a square y square. Then 2abxy is left. Here minus I have taken common, so it is becoming minus, and that is plus. Clear? It is in the form of a plus b whole square and it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Now see what we are getting here. From here, ax plus by whole square minus this is ay minus bx whole square. Again it is a square minus b square form. So A plus B into A minus B. So these are our factors. Clear? You will solve this type of sum from your book. Now next video, I think I'll make on geometry, revision on geometry.